Write the statement as an absolute value equation or inequality. P is 5 units from 8. Okay, let's do a little sketch here. Here's number 8. Here's 5 units this way, and here's 5 units that way. Let's just read the question again. P is 5 units. P is 5 units from the number 8. Let's see why it is this answer. P minus 8, the absolute of that equals 5. So we will have P minus 8 equals 5 and P minus 8 equals negative 5. If I add 8 to both of these, I will get 13 here. I will get 3 here, which is what we have right here. Okay, so remember, P is 5 units from the number 8. Let's take that and go to the next one. X is within 2 units of 4. So this is going to be an inequality. Within 2 units of 4. Okay, here's 4. So here's 2 units that way. Here's 2 units that way. We're looking for numbers in between here, and including the 2 and 6. Okay, within 2 units of 4. So this looks like a less than, but let's take a look. Again, within 2 units of 4. Here's how it works. X minus 4 less than equal to 2. X minus 4 greater than equal to negative 2. If I add a 4 to both of these, I will get 6 here. I will get 2 here. So again, greater than 2, less than 6. That's what that's showing there. Okay, that's it. Let's go on to the next one. An application. High temperatures between 33 degrees and 89. So what's the mean or the average between these two temperatures? Okay, 33 plus 89 is 122 degrees. Divided by 2, that equals 61 degrees. Okay, so that's your mean temperature. Let's put that on the number line. So here's our 89, and here's our 33. Again, the temperature ranges from 33 to 89. So right in the middle is that 61. Now you should be able to tell that this is 28 degrees that way and 28 degrees that way. Okay, so if you think about what we've just been doing, what is 28 degrees from 61? Okay, so here we go. Okay, so within 28 degrees of 61, here we are. X minus 61 can be less than or equal to 28. X minus 61 can be greater than or equal to negative 28. If I add 61 to both of these, I will get 89 here, and I will get 33 here, which is exactly what we've got up here. Okay, that's the answer.